Okay friends, it's time to replace our IAC valve. The first thing we need to do is locate it. It's going to be on the driver's side of your throttle body, right back here. You have your throttle position sensor, and then the next one behind it is your IAC valve. Now the next thing we want to do is go ahead and grab onto this tab right here. We're just going to lift it away, and then we can draw the wiring away from the IAC valve. The next thing we need to do is remove our two mounting bolts. You'll find one right here, and then the other one located directly across from it. Remove the pair. There's one. Let's do the same to the other. With both of our bolts out of there, now we can just go ahead and grab onto this, give it a nice wiggle, and remove it from the throttle body. There it is, friends. All right, friends, now it's time to install our brand new IAC valve. Something that I want to mention is right along here, you have the little gasket. You just want to put a thin amount of clean engine oil along that. That's going to help lubricate it so we can install it. Once you have that on there, we want to have it facing in this direction. That way there we have our wiring facing up. We'll just slide it into where it needs to be. Now we can grab both of our bolts, we'll start them in, and then we'll snug them up. So essentially we just want to bottom it out just like this, and then we'll just give it a teeny bit more. Do the same to both. Bottomed out, just a teeny bit more. Now we're going to grab our electrical connector, we'll line it up, slide it in. Listen for a little click, you want to make sure that this is locked in. Give it a little tug just to ensure that it's completely situated. This feels great. All you have left to do is go ahead and start up the truck, make sure you don't have a check engine light, and then take it for a road test.